Hey there, and welcome to The Explainer. Today, we're diving into the ultimate roadmap for starting a highly profitable one-person AI business from absolutely zero. And honestly, the best part? We're going to do this without you having to write a single line of code. Seriously, if you've been kind of sitting on the sidelines, watching the whole AI revolution pass you by, this explainer is going to change everything for you. Let's get right into it.
To really wrap our heads around the opportunity here, just consider this mind-blowing stat. Right now, 84% of businesses in America have literally no employees. That is 30 million people running solo, one-person businesses. And what's really fascinating here is that 77% of them become profitable within their very first year. This kind of unprecedented success rate, it's really only possible right now because of recent leaps in AI. Every day, regular people are building highly lucrative businesses from their laptops, and today we're going to break down exactly how they're doing it.
Now, you might hear people out there saying that to make real money with AI, you have to build some complex software app. Well, let's bust that myth right now. Think about it like this. Clients do not care how the meal is cooked in the kitchen. They only care about how it tastes when it hits the table. Make sense? In other words, clients just want the end result of an AI-powered service. They just want their problems solved.
So here's our step-by-step tutorial for today. First, products versus AI services. Second, finding your niche with Ikigai. Third, delivering with Claude AI. Fourth, outreach and client conversion. And finally, your 30-day launch plan to actually go out and land your first client.
All right, Section 1. Products versus AI services, debunking the app-building myth. Before we literally do anything else, we have to figure out what to sell, right? The digital product route, building an AI app, it requires learning how to code. It's highly technical, incredibly time-consuming, and frankly, more than 99% of these apps fail to make even $100. AI services, on the flip side, they have zero startup cost. None. You sell the promise of a service first, you collect the money, and then you use AI to do the heavy lifting for you. It's a game changer because you get immediate cash flow without spending months building something that nobody even wants.
Let me actually show you what this looks like in the real world. Take Sandy's incredible success story. Sandy is a mom with 3 kids, working a full-time job, and she had zero technical background or AI experience. None. But she decided to offer an AI service where she creates SEO-optimized blog posts for tech companies. She just used AI to generate the posts, spending maybe 15 minutes a day on it. She started out making $3,000 a month, and because the results were so top-notch, they actually bumped her pay to $5,500 a month. Notice, she didn't build an app, she just delivered the output. Okay, Section 2, finding your niche with Ikigai, the foolproof method to finding your perfect offer.
Now, it is completely normal to completely freeze up when you're trying to choose a service to offer. There are just so many options. To solve that, we use Ikigai. It's a Japanese concept that roughly translates to a reason for being. We're going to use it as a foolproof framework to combine your natural passions and strengths with actual real-world market demand to find a highly profitable business idea. It looks at 4 things: what you love, what you're passionate about, what the world actually needs, and crucially, what you can get paid for.
Let's look at Brandon for a second. He was a VP at a construction glass company, making maybe $750 a month on a side hustle. So looking at his Ikigai, he loved videography and camera gear. He was super passionate about content creation. But what did the world need? Well, he realized the construction and glazing companies in his specific industry desperately needed authoritative content. And what could he be paid for? Coaching those specific companies on how to make videos that attract clients. Boom! By combining his personal passions with his deep industry knowledge, he created the absolute perfect service.
Once you map out your own Ikigai like Brandon did, you have to answer 4 vital questions to finalize your core offer. First, are you doing the work for them, or are you coaching them to do it? Second, who exactly are you selling to? Is it everyday consumers or specific B2B companies? Third, what is your pricing? And listen, aim for a high ticket here, right around $2,000 to $3,000. Don't be afraid of that number. You can absolutely charge high ticket prices even with a tiny following, as long as you're providing real value. And finally, what makes your story different? Sandy's edge was being a relatable, busy mom navigating AI. Brandon's was his insider knowledge of the construction industry. You got to find your unique angle.
Moving right along to Section 3, delivering with Claude AI, how AI acts as your delivery engine.
Okay, so let's say someone actually hands you $3,000 today. How do you actually do the work without completely burning yourself out? You want to design a business that supports your lifestyle, right? Here is a simple 3-step framework for delivery. First, identify the top 3 biggest challenges your ideal client faces. Second, create a specific, highly customized skill, which is basically just a detailed prompt, in Claude AI designed solely to solve each of those specific challenges. And third, and this is absolutely crucial, apply human taste. The AI can crunch the data all day long, but you need your human eye to review and curate that output to make sure it's premium quality.
Let's make this super concrete with an example. Here's a workflow for a career coach AI service, very similar to what a creator named Yvonne does to help people land tech jobs. Her clients generally have 3 main hurdles: bad resumes, no interviews, and poor interview skills. So instead of doing all this heavy lifting manually, you go into Claude and build a custom skill that says something like, hey, I'm going to give you my client's resume and I want you to tailor it perfectly for a role at Salesforce. You literally just punch in the client's data, hit enter, and Claude does 90% of the work. You review it, tweak it with that human taste, hand it to the client, and you've just delivered massive value with minimal effort.
Which brings us to Section 4, Outreach and Client Conversion, turning cold leads into paid clients. All right, now for the absolute most important part, getting people to actually pay you. You essentially have 2 main engines here, building a personal brand and doing direct outreach. You can build a brand on platforms like YouTube or LinkedIn just by posting simple, helpful content. But you have to combine that with direct outreach. And please, don't just spam people. Use a specific, targeted script. Something like, hey Sarah, saw you're expanding your tech team. I help companies like yours optimize SEO blog content using AI to drive inbound leads. Open to a quick video showing how? When you do direct outreach and you already have a personal brand backing you up, your response rate absolutely skyrockets because they can see your social proof. And when they do respond, here is the exact closing funnel you're going to use. It is remarkably simple. You send that cold direct message on LinkedIn. When they reply positively, you immediately follow up with a short custom Loom video. In that video, you explain exactly how your AI service is going to solve their specific problem. They watch it, they love the value you're offering, which naturally leads them to booking a sales call. And then you close the deal right there on the call. Fun fact, this exact sequence was used in the source material to close a B2B client just today. It works.
I really need to emphasize this rule, though. If you want to sign high-ticket clients for $2,000 or more, you must get them on a sales call. No exceptions. You cannot hide behind a fancy landing page or an automated webinar. You need to have a real human conversation to truly understand their problems and speak their language. I know it might feel a little grindy or intimidating at first, but trust me, it is absolutely the fastest path to a $10,000 month.
Finally, Section 5, your 30-day launch plan, the step-by-step roadmap to your first client.
Okay, we have all the puzzle pieces. Let's put the whole shebang together into an action plan. Days 1 through 7, map out your Ikigai and finalize that high-ticket offer. Days 8 through 14, start your outreach. You want to hit a minimum of 20 people a day. That's a solid 100 to 200 people a week. Days 15 through 21, start posting simple, unpolished content on just one platform to start building up that personal brand. And days 22 to 30, keep pushing, keep following up until you book those meetings and close your first client. Keep in mind, Sandy got her first B2B client in just 1 week using this structure, and Yvonne signed hers in her first month.
10 grand. $10,000. That is the monthly revenue Brandon hit in just 30 days of executing this exact playbook on LinkedIn. Think about that. He didn't build an app. He didn't write a single line of code. He just used AI to deliver a highly valuable service to an industry he already understood. This system absolutely works for regular, non-technical beginners who are just willing to put in the focused effort.
So, I'm going to leave you with this provocative question. What is the one AI-powered service that you can launch today to secure your very first high-ticket client by next month? You now have the complete roadmap, right? You know how to sell the promise, use Claude AI for the actual delivery, and scale your income without ever touching a line of code. It's time to get out there and take action. Thank you so much for joining me for this explainer, and honestly, I cannot wait to see what you build.